Hey guys, back from the Dream Boy. Today I'm going to be showing two of my slimes. This is the first one. This is a light blue one, and you can't really see. Maybe you can. It's got little sparkles in it. It's really glossy. So let me show you. So yeah, and now I'll be showing you a bubble, and that's my bubble. They're quite easy. Sorry, I didn't show you properly. Just I've got my phone the wrong way. I haven't got my camera. So yeah, it's a stretchy thing. Yeah, so another bubble. This one. Oh, does a fail. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Hang on. Oh, I'll do a little one, I guess. So yeah. This is the first one. It's really stretchy. I'll just as well. We made these yesterday. Same swirl. Okay. So that's the first one. That's a little one. Sounds oily. This one is a darker blue. And has black, silver, and gold glitter in it. This one's a really fluffy one. We used 2 bottles of shaving cream. It's jiggly because we put lots of conditioner in it. Look what I was doing to the table. Just because of the glitter. Okay, I'll do a slight bubble. But I'm not straight away. This one does good ones, it's just failing. Did you hear that massive pop? Okay, I'm going to try once more if it doesn't happen. Sorry about the background noises. Probably with my sister on TikTok or my nan doing her artwork. Or trolls, because my niece is over. Get back up again. Oh! Oops, sorry. Bubble. Okay, now I'll put you back down. Now I'll show you how stretchy and stuff is. It is stretchy. We put like half a bottle of conditioner in it. It was way bigger than this. This is a massive batch. This is the other half of it. Just hang on. And I've got half of it. So we made there's 3 times as much as this because my brother has some too. Looking up to it. I will get back up again. So this is how big. It's really big, but it doesn't look that big on camera. Now these pokes. These aren't good pokes. But here we go. So they're the pokes. Stretch. I'll do a slime swirl. But this one will be a big slime swirl. So yeah. That was up high, so it looks good. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's falling because it's kind of landing in a box. Oh my god. I got the big bubble. Okay, now turn one more. See if I can. And then I'll show you one more slime and that's it. One more of my favorite. Another one. So, yeah. Okay, one more other slime. Hang on one second. Today I don't feel like doing that. I just feel like laying in my bed. I'm just putting them back in their containers. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I'm gay. This is my absolute favorite one. It's really sticky. This one isn't mine. It's super stretchy, sticky, super sticky. I'll only pick some of it up because of how sticky it is. I'll try and get some of it. Okay, so it's a purpley colour. And it's got lots and lots of glitter. It's like a galaxy slime. Oh, that was a bubble. I just popped it by accident. I'll show you next time. Honey one. I don't know if you see it because it kind of goes upside down so I can't see it. So I'll do once more. Let's see if this. This one is purple. These have good clicks. It's really glittery, sticky, and stretchy. And that does good bubbles and clicks. So that's my purple one. Actually, I'll show you one more because we've got heaps. Why don't I just show you them all, okay? That's another one. So that's 3. That's 3. This one is a really light blue, has silver glitter in it, and some black glitter. Look at the table now, guys. Say I don't feel like doing anything. Yeah. This isn't about me, so this is about something. So this is about clicks. Now. It's kind of stretchy. Well, it is stretchy. Let's slime swirl. Good. Okay, so that one, I'm trying to hurry up the video. Do it like 10 minutes. This is a green one. This was also really good. Look at the colour. It even looks like a party. Oh. These are its clicks, okay. These are kind of bad, but alright, let's try and do a bubble. It's really stretchy as well. And one more, and then if it doesn't work, I will just leave it. This one on the next one. One more. Okay, this is the last one. I promise. I think I have one more slime after this one. Yeah. I have more at Renan's house. I have a purple one. Yeah, that was a fail. Oh, there we go. Another one. Okay, I have one more. I just need it. It's just down here. So. This one's a metallic slime. It's blue. It's got sparkles in it. Okay. Metallic. Really stretchy. These are its clicks. Kind of terrible, I know. Okay. And terrible bubbles because you can't really do bubbles. But yeah. So that is my slime video. Subscribe, like, comment down below what other videos you want me to do.